I'm definitely a city guy at heart. Every once in a while, I like to get away from the fast-paced city life and slow things down a bit. Well, today I've decided to do just that and take a little day trip, which actually led me to stumble upon what is rumored to be the most challenging hiking trail at the Palisades Interstate Park. The Giant Stairs. It's approximately a 30-minute to an hour drive from the city, and it feels like in only a relatively short period of time, I'm able to transverse into this parallel universe filled with nature. And honestly, that's exactly what I needed. So I finally made it. Yes, I'm at the beginning of the trail and I'm standing at the state line lookout, and I'm about to find out why they call the Giant Stairs one of the most challenging hikes of the Palisades Interstate Park. For one, it's a summit to riverfront hike, and it's a giant loop where you start off at the state line lookout, which is about 520 feet elevation, and then you have a steep decline all the way to the Hudson River. And if you can make it there, you now have to walk 1 mile of a very difficult rock scramble. And if you can make it through the rock scramble, it doesn't end there. Now you have to make your way back up here, which is a steep climb. So overall, you're looking at over 1,000 feet. I'm about to see if I could conquer the Giant Stairs. Wish me luck, guys. So right now I'm at the beginning of the trail still, and so far it's not too bad. And I'm about to make my way down to the descent. So this is actually the state border between New Jersey and New York. Once you walk through that fence, you're now entering into New York, Rockland County to be exact. You can hype it up to your friends and say, hey, guess what I did today? I hiked through 2 states. Yeah, the descent is pretty steep. You gotta be careful. Whew. Go this way. So I just bumped into a sign that said the trail is closed beyond this point. At this point, I'm risking my life. Okay, so I'm walking down the rocky part of the trail, crossing over a small riverbed, and I bump into a river frog. So I'm gonna attempt to get a closer shot, but I'm telling you right now, if this frog even moves a ½ inch, I am out. My man, do not move. Again, should I go a little closer? And I'm playing myself. I am playing myself. Oh, nah, B, nah. All right, do not move. Is he meditating? All right. Oh, yo, oh. He turned around on me, y'all. He turned around on me. Oh, oh. Yo, yo. I made it down to the waterfall at the bottom of the riverfront, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. The rocks are a little slippery, so you gotta be really careful. Just trying to find my path down. Okay. And this is cool. I'm about to cross over a little riverbed that's caused from the waterfall. I've made my way down to the riverfront, so the first part of the challenge is completed, and I have to say that the Hudson River shoreline is absolutely beautiful. I see the sign ahead for the giant stairs, so this is the beginning of it. And it says, the giant stairs hike begins in 1/4 mile, difficult rock scramble ahead. All right, here we go. Stretch it out. They say this is the most challenging part of the hike. We'll see. Seems like the rocks never end, and my thighs are starting to burn, and I'm starting to get tired, but this is where I'm pushing through. It's almost like you're on a battlefield filled with landmines, and each step is an opportunity for you to get your ankles broke. Tell you, I love a challenge. The giant stairs are definitely living up to its name. It looks like it's coming to the end of the giant stairs right after this bend, so that's good. So it looks like I just completed the giant stairs. So that's the second obstacle down. Now, climb all the way up back to the summit. So let me get it cracking. I'm almost at the top. Gotta dig deep. Thighs is burning again. All right. Okay, I see civilization. That means I made it to the summit. Now I just have to make my way back to the state line lookout. Almost there. I can see the parking lot up ahead. So this is the last bit of the forest. And back to the state line lookout. I've just completed the giant stairs hike, and it has lived up to its name because that hike was definitely challenging, but I'm so happy that I was able to conquer it. Whew, that was tough.
The giant stairs was a wonderful experience, an absolute joy. As human beings, it's inevitable at some point in our lives that we will be met with physical and mental challenges. Well, this hike has shown me that throughout our life journey, we will undergo a series of micro challenges that we should look at as micro studies that allows us to see what we're truly made of, a sort of training and practice ground that better prepares us for future obstacles. When you conquer these micro challenges, it can give you a motivational boost and a reassurance that you are capable of achieving your life end goals. Now, no one said it's going to be easy, and you're going to have to embrace the pain. But remember, the best views come after the hardest climbs. So thank you for walking with me. I appreciate you. I love you, neighbors, and may peace be with you.